DIY wedding decorations, creative ideas on a budget. Title: DIY wedding decorations, creative ideas on a budget. Introduction. Weddings are joyous occasions that celebrate the union of two souls in love. However, planning a wedding can often be a costly affair, with many couples facing budget constraints. But fear not. DIYW. Wedding decorations offer a creative and cost-effective solution to add a personal touch to your special day. In this article, we will explore a plethora of innovative ideas that will inspire you to see. Create stunning decorations while keeping your budget intact. 1. Paper crafts. Paper is a versatile material that can be transformed into beautiful decorations without breaking the bank. Utilize the art of origami to fold colorful paper into intricate designs such as cranes, butterflies, or flowers. Create a whimsical paper flower wall backdrop, hang paper lanterns, or make paper garlands to adorn your venue. These DIY paper decorations can add a touch of elegance and aroma. Mysticism to your wedding without straining your budget. 2. Mason jars and bottles. Empty mason jars and glass bottles can be repurposed to create enchanting wedding decorations. Fill them with fairy lights or tea candles to create mesmerizing centerpieces for your tables. Use them as vases for wildflowers or as containers for personalized wedding favors. Spray paint them in your chosen wedding colors and arrange them creatively to enhance the overall ambience of your venue. Simple and inexpensive ideas will infuse a rustic and charming vibe into your wedding decorations. 3. Vintage and thrifted items. If you're aiming for a unique and nostalgic atmosphere, consider incorporating vintage and thrifted items into your wedding decor. Scour thrift stores, flea markets, and your own attic for vintage pie. Picture frames, antique candle holders, or old books. Use these items as table centerpieces, signboards, or wall decorations. Not only will this give your wedding a distinctive look, but it will also save you money, as vintage and thrifted items are often more affordable than new ones. 4. Nature-inspired decorations. Mother Nature can provide a wealth of inspiration for DIY wedding decorations. Embrace the beauty of the outdoors by incorporating natural elements into your wedding decor. Transform tree branches into unique table centerpieces, pine cones as place card holders, or leaves as part of your venue's backdrop. Collect stones, seashells, or driftwood to create charming displays. Nature-inspired decor Ions not only create a serene environment but also allow you to save on costs by utilizing readily available materials. 5. Fabric and ribbon accents. Fabrics and ribbons offer endless possibilities for DIY wedding decorations. Purchase affordable fabrics in your chosen color scheme and create beautiful table runners or chair sashes. Use ribbons to tie around chairs, create hanging decor, or wrap around bouquets. Play with different textures and colors to add depth and style to your wedding venue. By utilizing fabric and ribbon accents, and add a touch of luxury and elegance without the hefty price tag. 6. Upcycled decor. Transform everyday items into stunning wedding decorations by embracing the concept of upcycling. Reuse old window frames as seating charts, paint vintage suitcases as card boxes, or repurpose wine B. Bottles as table numbers. Upcycling not only allows you to create unique and customized decorations but also helps reduce waste and minimize your wedding's environmental impact. Get creative and think outside the box to maximize your decor while saving money. 7. DIY flower arrangements. Flowers are an integral part of wedding decorations but can often be expensive. Save on costs by creating your own flower arrangements. Purchase bulk flowers and greens from local flower markets or online wholesalers. Gather your bridal party and friends for a DIY flower arranging session. Create stunning bouquets, centerpieces, and boutonnieres that reflect your personal style. DIY flower errand. Arrangements not only help you stay within budget but also add a personal touch to your wedding. 8. Personalized details. Adding personalized details to your wedding decorations can make them truly special and meaningful. Consider incorporating elements that reflect you and your partner's interests, hobbies, or shared memories. Create custom-made photo frames with pictures of your journey together, design unique table numbers using your favorite quotes, or include signage that showcases your love story. These small touches will not only add a personal touch to your wedding but also make your guests feel more connected to your celebration. 9. DIY lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating the right ambience for your wedding. Instead of splurging on expensive light fixtures, try your hand at DIY lighting options. Create a romantic atmosphere. String lights or fairy lights by wrapping them around pillars, draping them along the ceiling, or using them to make stunning backdrops. Another idea is to make your own lanterns from materials mason jars, lace, or tin cans. DIY lighting not only adds a magical touch to your wedding decor, but also helps save money. 10. Balloon decorations. Balloons are a fun and budget-friendly option for wedding decorations. Inflate balloons in your wedding colors and use them to create eye-catching installations. Make balloon arches to frame your ceremony space or dance floor, create balloon backdrops for photo booths, or simply scatter them around the venue as floating decorations. You can even experiment with different sizes and shapes to create unique balloon arrangements. Balloon decorations are an excellent way to add a touch of whimsy and playfulness to your wedding. 11. DIY backdrops. A backdrop can instantly transform any space and serve as a focal point for your wedding ceremony or reception. Instead of renting or buying expensive backdrops, try making your own. Create a backdrop using fabrics, ribbons, paper flowers, or even recycled materials. You can also get creative with paint and create a mural or abstract design. DIY backdrops give you the freedom to personalize your wedding decorations and create a backdrop that perfectly complements your chosen theme or color scheme. 12. Creative seating arrangements. Give your seating arrangement a unique twist by incorporating DIY elements. Instead of traditional place cards, consider making personalized drink coasters or mini chalkboard signs that indicate each guest seating. Another idea is to create seating charts using a vintage window frame or an old door, with each table written on a glass pane or panel. Creative seating arrangements not only add a Fun element to your wedding but also provide an opportunity to showcase your DIY skills. 13. Scented decor. Enhance the sensory experience at your wedding by incorporating scented decor. DIY scented candles or diffusers using essential oils and display them throughout your venue. You can also hang sachets filled with dried flowers or herbs from chairs or place them on tables. Scented decor adds an extra layer of ambience to your wedding and creates a relaxing and pleasant atmosphere for your guests. 14. Edible wedding favors. Instead of spending a significant portion of your budget on wedding favors, consider offering edible DIY favors. Create homemade jam, cookies, or chocolates and package them in personalized, budget friendly containers. You can also experiment with different flavors or create customized labels that reflect your wedding theme. Edible wedding favors are not only cost-effective but also a delicious